Hey cookie lovers, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some Halloween inspired royal icing cookies. I know what you're thinking. It's like 100 degrees outside right now. But we have to prepare for fall and Halloween and all the good holidays that come with it. So we will be making some royal icing cookies today. We're only going to use circle shaped cookies, nothing special, but we're going to come up with some really cute designs. So if it's your first time here, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like this video, share it, let everyone know how amazing of a cookie artist I am. Oh, where did I get this cute jar from? Amazon. Check out my Amazon storefront below. I have some cookie supplies linked in that storefront. Also, random cute stuff like this that I love to use. Like this video, share it. Let's get started. For these cookies, I'm going to use Ameri Color gels, colors orange, leaf green, and super black. So I'm giving the icing a good stir to get that color mixed in really well. I'm using an outline flood consistency, so I just have one bag of icing I can outline and flood with. To get the consistency I want, I am adding water to loosen the icing, and of course, if I wanted it thicker, I would add confectionery sugar. Now this bag sealer is amazing. I love to use it to seal my bags. I have that in the description box below. You can grab it off Amazon for less than $30. These are all the colors I'm using, and I forgot to mention that I am also using bright white. I'm mixing black into two different consistencies. One is an outline flood consistency to outline and flood the cookie, and the other consistency is going to be an outline or you can call it a detail consistency, so I can use it to decorate details. And if you need help with royal icing consistency, I have a video all about that linked for you above. I will also have the consistencies I made each color in the description box below. This is going to be my Peekaboo Frankenstein Cookie. So I am flooding this cookie first, and once it dries, I will add the Frankenstein face on top. After my cookie dried overnight, I used a paper towel to help me get the lines straight for the Frankenstein face. And I used an edible marker to write on the cookie. That's why it's very important to make sure you are using a completely dried cookie, because if you are not, you will poke holes all in your icing. And the good thing about sketching your image before you use the royal icing is that you know exactly how it's going to look. So that mistake I made, it will be covered up with royal icing. Now I'm going to add details using a thicker consistency. And it's good that my icing is a little thick. That will make it less likely for craters to form in my character's eyes. Now, if you don't know, craters are those annoying dips you get in your icing after it dries. You think my cookie is perfect, and then you come back and there is a hole in the middle of your icing. Yeah, we don't want to see those. We are moving on to our next peekaboo cookie. I'm flooding this one black and I'm going to make a white flood icing. This cookie is going to be a ghost, and after that ghost dries, you can go in and add eyes and his face with a thicker consistency. Now this is a pink dust that I'm pretty sure I got off Amazon. I'm using a brush to kind of lay that on because I think it just makes this little ghost so cute blushing. And we are on our last cookie. Guys, if you are still here, you are a real MVP. Go ahead on and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. It's just awesome you are still hanging out with me. So obviously this is a pumpkin cookie, and after the flood icing dried, I'm flooding the cookie in different sections to give it that pumpkin look. Now I made an oopsie with this cookie. As I was putting it in the dehydrator, I poked a hole in it. So I'm just doing a little patchwork by adding a little bug to cover that up. And I think it adds a little creepiness to the cookie. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, my cookie loves. Subscribe and comment which cookie was your fave.